Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Kraken application. To change your language on Kraken, first of all, open up the Kraken app on your mobile device and log into your account. To change your language, first of all, tap on your profile picture at the top left, and then this will open up the Accounts tab. Now, click on Preferences. From the Preferences tab, tap on Language. You will see the list of languages you can choose from. Tap the language you want the system to use, and then right after you do that, you will be able to change the language of your interface. Now you have successfully changed the language. You can enjoy a more personalized and comfortable user experience in your chosen language. You can also change to a different language whenever you want by repeating this step. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.